Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Damaris Everyday and I am Damaris, and tonight I just wanted to show you these paper mache houses that we got from this company, or that my mom got from this company. She started painting them, but then she stopped, and I was like, hey, these are some really cute houses. I want to paint one too. So I figured I would go ahead and finish her little project for her. I will leave the link down at the bottom of the paper mache houses and where I found them. All paint that you are going to see in this video and other supplies are found at Walmart. So it's just an easy paper mache house and some acrylic paint, and that's pretty much it. So they were very nice in size. They came in 3 different sizes. The others, are just pretty small, but I figured I'd show you guys this one that I painted. And so first thing I did, just lay down some plastic bags. I just grabbed some kitchen trash bags and laid them down and got to work. Now I use this light blue acrylic paint. I think it's called Summer Sky, and just a sponge paintbrush. I was going to use a acrylic type paintbrush, but I figured the sponge would actually give it better coverage. I mixed a little water in with the paint that she had left over to kind of give it a good base coat, and I went over it several times with several different coats of paint, so maybe about 3, and painted the inside about 3 different times to give it a nice flat a luminous base color. Now, as you can see, after a couple of coats and I let it dry completely, it is a beautiful type of sky blue, and I chose for the outside the deep gray color to kind of give it a little bit of depth. And from the outside in, use the same brush, just cleaned it off with some hot water, and then I just got to work on the outside the same as the inside. I would need, I guess it took maybe about 3 coats of paint, and I let each one dry a full day. I didn't wait a couple hours. I let it all dry a full day, and then I went back to the project. So I think from outside in, it turned out pretty well. From the outside, we have the nice deep silver gray, and the inside, that blue just kind of glows. So the top of the house, she already had that painted in like a pink, or not pink, I'm sorry guys, in like a green color. So I went and found the same green color and redid the top of her house for her. And again, all of the paint and the sponges was actually found at Walmart. I just need to clean this off first. So I am all done with my house after I painted the roof separately from the house, which I'm actually glad that I did because it gave the house a little bit more time for the paint to set. As you can see, everything covered very nicely. It has a very nice depth from the inside out. That nice sky blue, and the outside a nice deep gray. Then the top of the house, the green. It looks like a real like house color, so I was pretty okay with that. I did put these little trees that we found at Target in the $1 bin, kind of surrounded those around there to kind of give it a little something something. Well, that is pretty much it. I'll leave the link at the bottom for this paper mache house and where my mom found these. I really do hope that everyone has a beautiful and wonderful holiday and rest of December. Conquer those holiday blues, everyone. Stay positive, stay wonderful, and enjoy.